Hello, welcome to Nerdy Oasis. I'm the Baby Beast. This is my friend Caleb, and we're doing another unboxing today. This isn't just my regular unboxing, though. I'm starting a new segment on my channel called Nerdy Oasis New Game Plus, where we get a new tabletop game, open it, review its contents, and then play it. So let's get to the unboxing. Alright, well, ow. Got a little bit of a paper cut. Or cardboard cut, I think. Okay. I will let you, sir, do the honors. Donner Dinner Party. It's a hidden roll game. It's supposed to be pretty fun. Decided that we'd get it and do an unboxing for the channel. He bought it, actually. It's his game. We do game nights every so often, so this is going to be a new one to the edition on Saturday nights. Go ahead and open it up. I want to like open it a little bit, yeah.
Yeah. Uh-huh. Well,
It does not have like a big enough gap.
yeah, not really.
You got it. That's probably
That messed up the box a little.
I'm gonna get the other side.
Yeah.
Alright. I'll grab the other side.
Oh, that's not even there.
It's alright. Alright. Okay. It's a neat little booklet. It actually feels kind of cool too. It's got this like neat texture to it. Oh, nice. There's that. Let's move these cups out of the way. Actually, I have to move them over here to the side a little bit. Oh, everything's got like a neat texture to it actually. This is kind of cool. So this is part of the board. Wow, this is kind of tight. It's gonna be hard to like, not have it flat. It's gonna be hard to have it flat. Looks like a campfire. And then here's the cards. Maybe really hard. I really wish I had my pocket knife. Pieces. Here it is, a piece of cardboard. Man. So here's the roll cards. These are kind of neat.
Some of them are supply cards.
Oh, you're right. Some of them are supply cards. So we got supply cards and we got roll cards. I don't know if you can see that. Let me take my finger off of that. So roll and supply. So I guess the gist of this game, it's basically, like I said, it's a hidden roll game. There's games like Secret Hitler, Werewolf, Mafia. Those are all hidden roll games. I'm sure you've probably played one of them. How this one works, though, is that there's a person in the group. So we're going to do later, after we've kind of reviewed its contents and stuff and looked at all the different pieces, we're going to do a gameplay. We're going to have a couple of my friends join us, and we're going to actually play it. So there's 4 of us. Basically, 3 of us will be pioneers and 1 person will be a cannibal. That's the hidden roll. And so essentially this game is based off of something that happened a long time ago, people colonizing to, where was it?
I think it's California.
So colonizing to California, they left when it was winter and just kind of got trapped, and then they were forced to like eat each other. And then like a second colonist group came by and found the remains and stuff. So it's kind of dark. It's based off of based off of something that actually happened. But in this case, nobody's actually a cannibal or eating anybody, hopefully. But yeah, so anyway, here's the cannibal card. And here's like a couple pioneer cards I'll show off right here. So these are pioneers. So there'll be 3 pioneers and 1 cannibal. The cannibal's objective is to, of course, win by eliminating everybody eating them. And there's other cards that will have like food and stuff, and so every turn when there's not enough food to serve for everybody, someone gets voted out, and essentially that person gets eaten. And yeah, so let's look at the rest of the pieces. Put these cards right here. There's some like tokens, it looks like. I'm not sure what these are. Oh, hey, it's a tiny little frying pan to cook the humans in, I'm guessing. Alright. Well, so I'm not sure what these tokens are for. Caleb, do you know what these are for?
No, actually. I think the frying pan is supposed to go.
Okay, so the frying pan is a counter. I'm guessing that's like the rounds, or how many weeks the people are in the winter frozen area trying to survive.
So I'm guessing whatever cards we have passed out, they correspond to these
Okay.
tokens.
But then there's another side to them. So does that mean like...
Wait, no, hold on. I think they all... Maybe... Oh,
Does
I
this
think they
signify
all...
that you're dead?
I think they all start this way, and then whenever it's flipped, it's dead.
Oh, okay. So I'm guessing... I mean, they seem to perfectly fit in this spot.
Yeah.
So so it corresponds to the role that you're given. Even if you are a cannibal, I'm sure one of these are it. So yeah, I'll show these tokens off. They're kind of cool actually. Like they're pretty unique to each one. Like no one of them is the same. So I think that's pretty neat. So I'll show them off on video here. All right. Last but not least, the hunting cards. Let's open these up. Let me try to get some slack in this so I can actually stick the scissors in there. Cut my finger off at the same time. There we go. Alright. So these are the cards that people get. They'll get 1, or the rest of them will get 3 each turn. So I'll pull out 1 of each. So we have squirrels, medicine, fish, poison, and empty hands. Here's the squirrel. Here's the medicine. Here's the fish. Here's the poison. Here's the empty hands. Now, I think there's one more piece. This gets passed around every turn as well for the camp leader. The camp leader only gets 1 of those cards every turn. Put that one back. So I think this concludes most of the opening part of the video. I think we should do some gameplay. What do you think? Alright, so first we deal out roll cards. So I'm going to give him 1, him 1, him 1, and myself 1. And then each person gets hunting cards and gets to contribute one of those cards
Supply card.
to the campfire, I guess. And then
It's called the camp dinner.
the camp circle, the Donner dinner party.
Yeah.
Don't forget about the
the game.
It's specifically called the.
So he's the camp
dinner.
leader.
Okay.
The camp leader only gets 1 hunting card. So I give him 1. I
Don't forget
give
about the supply cards.
the rest of us 3.
And we
Oops.
need a supply card.
There's 3. And then each one of us get a supply card, which can only be used once for the entire game. So there's 1, there's 1, there's 1, there's 1.
Oh wow.
And for this phase, everybody has to look at the roll, of course. I haven't done that yet. All right. And then let me look at my other thing, my supply card.
So I'm just gonna start off by playing Compass,
Alright.
which gives me an extra hunting card.
Okay. So you already looked at it? Everybody's looking at their now perspective hunting cards.
Come
I
on.
have a pretty good hand.
I don't.
Okay.
Yeah, this isn't the greatest hand.
I got a pretty decent one.
I have a terrible.
Who here had a good hand?
I mean,
Mine
I had
was
to use my
okay,
card to get
not
another
very good.
card.
Mine is not very good.
Yours is not very good. All right. I'm
Had
going
to use my
hopefully fix
supplies.
that. Huh?
Had to use my supplies to get another one, so
All right.
very much not a good hand.
Okay. Put that out. Mine is good, I'm
4.
assuring you.
You're assuring me.
I'm assuring you, and you
I
can
don't
check
know.
it if you want.
Alright. Which one of
So
these
he's the
most
camp
sketchy?
leader. Now he can actually
Yes.
check one person's card every round.
Of course, the camp leader switches each round.
Yes.
I'm checking yours. Can you
Mine?
do that? Yeah.
Okay, it's not bad, but
Pretty bad.
it's not good, but it's not bad.
That's true. Alright. So now they get shuffled. I don't know if the camp leader shuffles them or.
Yeah.
Alright.
Now the cannibal's objective. Oh yeah, by the way, there's a cannibal. The I think I
I
mentioned
think
that
that's
earlier.
pretty important.
So the cannibal, his objective is to kind of sow deceit, I guess, among the group and play cards that won't help the group as a whole so that they can eat somebody. Not everybody wants to eat people, but will still do it to survive.
Right.
Yeah, pretty much.
So we got empty hands, a squirrel,
Sadly.
empty hands, and medicine. So squirrel
Go ahead,
is
Lance.
Not
2.
enough.
All right.
That's-
So we have squirrel. Ooh, only 1 squirrel. So only
So-
2 of us can
Yikes.
eat.
Okay, then.
So we do have to eat someone.
Yeah.
So it looks like somebody has to be eaten. Who put down the medicine? Don't actually answer that question. Well then. Now is the voting phase where somebody basically has to die for the good of the group.
I mean, we have 2 minutes to talk about it.
Okay.
Okay.
I have no clue.
I don't either.
I don't know. None of those cards really reveal anything.
Yeah.
There's 2 empty-handed cards.
Yeah.
I put something contributive. That's all I'll say.
Kill.
I only had empty hands.
Yeah, well, I had poison also, but I didn't want to play it. So.
Okay. And what did I have? Oh yeah, all of my stuff was good except for 1. So I had 1 poison and I
So
had
it's
2 different kind of food items, and I chose I chose a good one. I chose the best one.
I'm just saying I wouldn't have used my compass if I didn't have to.
It's true.
So I was trying to do.
That is a
something
good
for
point.
I was
If I
trying
had
to
That is
make
a
it
really
If
good
I had a
point.
compass, I would have
good
used
for
it.
good.
You know, I'll vote for Caleb. I'll do it.
I'm gonna vote for Anthony then.
Now it's up to you guys.
Camp leader.
I'll vote for you. I don't know.
I think I gotta go with Caleb.
Yeah, I'm going with
I'm
Caleb.
gonna go.
Oh, you guys are making you're making a mistake. Okay, it's 2-2.
No,
Huh?
Caleb.
No, 3.
We're all voting on
We're all
Caleb.
voting-
Oh, we're all voting.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, if the camp leader voted for me anyway, then
What do you mean?
Okay.
What?
because you. So if there's a tie, then
Oh,
Whoever
camp
no,
leader.
camp,
Okay, got it.
camp leader overrides attack. Okay,
Okay.
okay, gotcha. That's pretty cool. All right,
Well,
okay.
I'm dead.
You're
You are
dead.
dead.
Eat me now.
We are
We are
definitely
gonna
gonna
eat you
you.
now.
Here,
We're
yeah.
not
Get the
gonna
nice
enjoy
boys.
it though. We're not gonna enjoy it.
Pioneer.
Oh crap! He's a
Oh.
pioneer.
No.
Oh, I
Good.
really thought it was you. It's the only one that made sense. He
Wow.
did use his compass.
Yeah.
So if we had medicine,
So,
Can't say anything.
I know who it is.
all right. Well,
Well.
now we're on to the second round. The next night,
Yeah. Weak.
or the next week. Sorry.
Oh, I guess the leader goes.
Yeah, I
to
guess
me.
that. I guess
Yeah,
that.
that's true.
Yep, goes to you.
Okay.
You can have it.
Okay.
Oh,
That
gosh.
goes in discard.
And
Oh yeah, my 2 cards go in discard as well.
so it's my 1, 2, 3.
No more supplies. Thank you very much.
Freaking.
Mm?
Okay. Well,
That's what I have to say about that.
this is my only thing I can play. So,
Okay. Well, I'll play that.
are you playing something?
It doesn't matter which one I play.
All the same.
It really
gosh.
doesn't.
That's not good.
Okay, now I'm scared.
Well, in that case, I'm gonna look at this one. Okay. Okay.
I have my suspicions.
Oh gosh. Well, empty hands, medicine, and scroll.
Oh, so we
So
still ate
it's
someone.
still not enough.
We're voting on somebody. Somebody's got to die for the greater good.
Yeah.
I'm gonna vote him.
And before we start, I have my double vote.
Double vote.
Yeah.
So you can just basically, as the camp leader, you can just choose someone.
Sort of. Yeah.
Huh.
So.
Maybe I'll take that back.
You're like, I don't want to die.
I don't want to die. I'm not a freaking cannibal.
That's actually a really good card.
So yeah, basically
Peter.
this card, I get to vote twice.
Basically, whoever you vote on.
And since I'm the leader, even if they both vote on me as the leader, whoever I vote for, the tie is in my favor.
Peter, are you a cannibal?
I am.
You're pretty much gonna win no matter what this round.
That's why I was like, but yeah, I'm just gonna.
Well, might as well vote for him anyway,
Okay.
and then we lose because he just outdoes me, kills me, and
Well,
then you
was
live.
the cannibal.
Well, that was fun. I enjoyed that. I think this concludes the video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. It's a pretty good game. You can have a minimum of 4 people. 10 people, I think, is the max. Yep. All right. And I think he got the game on Amazon, and I'm sure you can get it other places. He got it for like $15. It's cheap. It's a great party game. But other than that, have a great night.